Here's the hair I'm going to be using for today's video. This is Xpression rich braid. I'm going to be using just one pack, and this is color 1, and I'm just going to cut the attachment into 2, which is called cut 2. After that, we just go ahead to fade out the tip of the attachment and then use comb off camera or brush to brush the hair and the extensions very smoothly off camera. Right, because of the style or the wig we are going for, the wig style we are going for, I'm going to be using this particular wig cap, and to make the wig I'll be using this mannequin head. So this strap, I'm going to be attaching it onto the wig cap, and I'm going to be attaching it with needle and thread. And while doing this, I'm just using scissors to cut off the bands around the wig cap, and then attach with needle and thread, then move over to the next portion, cut off the bands, and then attach with needle and thread. Hi everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. How are you doing today? I'm so grateful that you decided to watch today's video. Please, if you are new here, just go ahead to click on the subscribe button to join the family. Share this video to friends and family. Do not forget to leave a comment in the comment section below and give the video a big thumbs up. Today's video is just going to be on this wig.
Baby, channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
I knew right then and there, there was something different about this girl. The way she moved, her hair, her face, her lines, divinity in motion. As she stalked the room, I could feel the aura of her presence. Every head turned, feeling passion and lust. The girl was persuasive, the girl I could not trust. The girl was bad. The girl was dangerous.
I never knew, but I was walking the line. Come go with me, I said I had no time. And though to pretend we didn't talk on the phone, my baby cried, she left me standing alone. Just so dangerous. The girl is so dangerous. Take away my money, throw away my time. You can call me honey, but you know damn good for me. Dangerous. The girl is so dangerous. Take away my money, throw away my time. You can call me honey, but you know damn good for me.
She came at me in sections with the eyes of desire. I felt trapped into her web of sin. A touch, a kiss, a whisper of love. I was at the point of no return, deep in the darkness of passion's insanity. I felt taken by lust, strange inhumanity. This girl was persuasive. This girl.
Once I'm done, the next is just to box braid the hair. But before that, we'll go ahead to use my brush to just brush the hair smoothly first, just to make sure that the hair is it's very smooth before I just start box braiding. We'll be box braiding the hair in six portions. We'll take about 6 portions and box braid 6 crochet and box braid them together.
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming.
that. Next is just to dip the hair into hot water. And after dipping it into hot water, we'll allow the hair to dry. Once the hair is dry, we just go ahead to loosen the braids, and I'm using leave-in conditioner to actually loosen the braid, just so that the coils won't be rough while I'm loosening it.
But I get tired of running, fuck it, now I'm running with you, so boy, I'm trying to meet your mama on Sunday, to make love on Monday.
Here's the final look. Hope it's helpful, hope you enjoyed and you're able to learn something from this video. If you did, and if you did not, go ahead to subscribe, give the video a big thumbs up, share the video to friends and family, and do not forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
I'm just hoping I don't breathe.